So, we about to mix this.
We making a birthday cake, some cupcakes for Michael's birthday while he at school.
Yeah, we not telling him.
Okay, pour some of this. Hold this. Hold this. This is our plate.
Leo.
Hold it tight. Wait. I need some.
No.
Wait. It says a half a cup. Hold on. Scoot back a little bit. I got you. Okay, now pour that in there.
That's half a cup.
Got a half a cup?
Yeah. But it's still dripping, I think. Hi.
Okay. Hold it tight and push it all the way down. Whoa. This is going to help us mix that. Turn it up just a little bit, just to get, hold the ball, Mason, you gotta hold the ball, and then twist it around, spin it around, but keep holding it. Got it? Mix everything up, make sure there's no more white stuff, powder, white powder.
Okay.
Wait, you will, but not right now. Just wait a second. And now,
Mom, do you know why I think my tongue over here?
Why? Because you taste something on your face?
Yeah.
Now we gotta mix in the 3 eggs.
And then I can take some.
Yep.
So we can mix.
Very slow.
So first when we mix it, I can have it. Get that. Mom, get some side.
Put in 3 eggs. A little bit faster now.
Don't put your pencil because it's going to chop up.
You smell the cake.
Mom, you waiting on this. You want to do that too. I want to chocolate. What's the first one you got? Come on. Or two. Or some of his. These are going to be this. I don't know.
Okay, I don't know what you're talking
Okay,
about.
can I take some of the bowl?
1 second.
Or from here? I'll take that one. Here. I have what else? It says, Mom, what else is it? Make, take, make. Hi. So I need a spoon to eat some. Not get back.
I'm gonna let you have both of the mixers.
Beep, 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 beep.
Hold on. Don't move. I want you to put the cupcake liners in there on camera. And then once you are done, I'll let you lick it.
You need some help?
Oh, I'm gonna get the scissors.
Okay.
Alright, only put 3 in.
Okay.
You gotta take them apart though, okay? Like that. No, you gotta take them out of each other. Mm-hmm.
Is that it? Yeah, that's it for me. So we gonna put the rest on the here?
No.
Okay, so we gonna put. Okay. Is that with us? I wanted to
That's
use
it.
these.